Welcome, my beloved subscribers. In this video, I will share tips on how to use VEO 3 in a legal and official way. And in this tutorial, I will give several methods. So not only using Gemini or using Google Labs, but there are several other ways that maybe you have not known all this time. So we go straight to the video, but please support me by liking, commenting, and subscribing, because that really helps me to always update new content for all of you. Here is the video tutorial. The first way that maybe you already understand is by using Google Gemini. For you new users, you can get access for 1 month for free by using your new email. This is the display of Gemini, and in the Tools section, here you can see there are only a few features, and not yet including Google VEO 3.1. The way to get it, we have to subscribe. And for you new users, here we can click on the Upgrade to Google AI section. Later, we will be taken to a new display like this, where we can get a trial for 1 month and use VEO 3. Here there is Google AI Plus and Google AI Pro that you can use with a fairly cheap price. We can subscribe by using Google AI Pro. If we succeed in making the payment, then the display is like this, and we can immediately click on the Open Gemini section. This is the display of Google Gemini, and in the Tools section we already see there is VEO 3.1 that we can use. Here we can enter the newest reasoning model. Then we can directly enter the command or prompt, and we can directly send it. This is the first way that we use to make a video with VEO 3. The second way that we can use is by using Wix. The way is we just search labs.google, and we will use the same account that we used in Google Gemini earlier. Here, we just choose to launch Wix. Here, we will be directed to the Wix display, and here we directly choose to enter tools. After that here, we can enter the command, or we can enter the subject, view, and also the style. As an example, I will enter a prompt, and in the settings section, I will just choose landscape aspect ratio. We just send it, and later 2 images will be processed, and later these 2 images we will turn into a video. As an example, we choose one of the images, and we enter the command or prompt, and we directly send it. Then later, it will be processed for the next video, like this. The third way that we can use is by using Google Flow. Still on labs.google, here we just open it in a new display. In Google Flow, we can make a new project. We will just click on the New Project section. Later, the display is quite simple like this, and usually if you already have a Pro account, you can also use Nano Banana Pro for free. This is the display of Google Flow, and here there are several models that we can use. As an example, here there is text to video, frame to video, material to video, and there is image creation that also already has Nano Banana Pro, Imagen, and the regular Nano Banana. As an example, we will just use text to video. We enter the command, and then we can set the settings. Aspect ratio here, I will just choose 16:9. Then for the output, I make 1 video. And for the models available here, there is VEO 3.1 face, VEO 3.1 quality, and VEO 2 face and quality. If it is done, we can directly send, and the video will be directly processed. The next way that we can use is by using Google Opal. Google Opal is an experiment from Google itself, where we can create our own application by using the features available. For the first time, we have to log in first. Don't forget, we also have to give access to Google Drive to access this Opal. We directly click on the Continue section. This is the display of Opal. In Opal, you can create any application and also use the templates that are already available here. You can even create a VEO 3 video creation application and also an image creation application. The way to create the application is quite easy. We just click on the Create New section. This is the display where we can build the application. At the bottom, there is a command column where we can enter the prompt. Now I already have the prompt. In this prompt, I will ask them to create an application that can make VEO 3 videos. We can directly send it in this section, and later it will be directly processed or generated for the application according to our request. Now the application has been completed, and this is the display of how to use this application. At the beginning, we are asked to enter a prompt or video description. Then we can also enter a reference image. Later, both will be processed and combined until finally producing a video according to what we ask. For this Opal application itself, you can change the theme yourself. As an example, we will just choose the random one. Now it has been completed to process like this. The way to use it is quite easy. At the bottom there is the word Start, we just click it. Then we will enter the prompt or command. And if we have a reference image, we just click here and directly upload it from our device. But here, we will use the same prompt as earlier, and we can directly send it. Later, the video will be directly processed like this, so we just wait until the result is finished. The next way that we can use is by using Gemini Business. Here we just enter our own email, then directly choose Continue with Email. For the first user, you will get a 30-day trial. Here we enter our name, and then we check the box and directly click Agree. This is the display of Gemini Enterprise Business, and here we are using a trial account. Here we can create several VEO 3 videos. I don't know what the limit is, but here it is written, there are 12 credits that we can use. The way to use it is quite easy. Here the display is almost the same as Gemini. We just click on the Tool section or Tools, then we just choose Generate Video. If it is done, we just enter the command or the prompt and directly send it. Just that easy to use Gemini Enterprise Business. Now, after we have studied all the AI tools to create VEO 3 videos for free, we will try to see the results. The first one, we will try to see the result from Google Gemini. The second, we will try to see the result from Google Wix. And the third, here we will try to play the result made in Google Flow. Next, we will try to see the result made by using Google Opal. And the last, here we will try to see the result made by using Gemini Enterprise Business. So, what do you think? Which one from these 5 tools is very suitable for you to use? Don't forget to answer in the comments column. That's all our video this time. Hopefully this video helps, and you get a lot of benefits from what I taught. See you in my next video.